Welcome to the next continued class. In this one we will see about do while. This is one of the loop statement in PHP. So last time we have seen about if statement, about switch case, about for loop also. So today we will continue the rest of the parts. So we will create first the new file. Let's say do while. Let's say do while.php. In case of do while.php, the same way like previous, we will first create PHP script, or we will first start coding from this one. So here we are going to do something. I say first we have to declare some value. Let's say I equals to 5. Then in case of do, will provide something equal let's say I. Then let me do incrementation I plus plus. Out of this one we will write while I is less than, let's say f10, while I is less than 10. Then at the end we will put some color. Okay, so here if you want to check, let me add this one to make it more clear. Yeah, for separation, just from one number to the other. Let me save and test this one, how it do and how it displays. Or you see, at the first time, what makes do while different from another looping statement is this one. In case of do while, we have always one output, whether the condition is true or not. Why we have a single output? Because it do some value. Then if the condition is before reaching the condition statement to test, it will display the value. No need of looping again, whether the condition is true or not. So we have always a single value. After displaying this value, it will increment the value, or it will decrement the value. After that, it will come to the while and it will test the value, whether the value incremented here is exactly fulfill the condition or not. So it is more different from the other because it has always one output, whether the condition is true or false. So let's test on the browser. Localhost tutor do while.php. See, it displays 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's make this one 4. Let's make whether I is greater than 10. What will happen? We have, I told you, we have a single output, because in do while we have always single output, whether the condition is true or false, because it is tested at the first before reaching to the condition. If you wanted to write this condition in case of for loop, the same thing, the same ways. We don't worry about writing in for loop format. It's just we have the value initialized here, we have the incrementation here, we have the conditional testing here. So it's not much different from the for loop we discussed last time with this one. No more difference, but we have a single output if the condition is not obeyed or not fulfilled. That makes different from the other looping statement. See you on the